Hey, Justin Lyman.
And I'm Alec Cooper.
Did you see that? We're here to do a clock reset, time change over the weekend. Yep. So we sprung forward, got tons of calls, so time to make a video. All Lexus models are a little bit different, so we brought in two models. Alec's going to be going over the second generation GX 460, which is a lot easier, a lot more intuitive in my opinion. And I'm going to be going over the first generation GX 470, which is a little bit of an oddball, but hopefully these videos can help you out. And I will pass this cool thing off to Alec, and we'll knock this out.
So the first thing you're going to want to press is Setup, and then go to General Settings, Clock. And this should already be on, but if it's off, just turn it back on. And then you can also auto adjust by your location, and it will automatically change the time for you. And that's pretty much it.
All right, so we are in the first generation GX. I wanted to show you this one just because it is a little bit different compared to the other models. It took me a while to figure this out and to remember it and to learn it. But you've got 4 buttons up top above the navigation. I'm actually going to push and hold mode and reset at the same time. And you'll see the temperature goes away. I'll let go. It says illumination 2. I'm going to hit mode. And now I can set it. So I can hit these up down arrows to get whatever time I want. I missed 10, so we'll go back to 10. And then the other up arrow, down arrow, whatever is, I'm going to do the minutes. Set it to whatever time you need. Hit mode again. Saved.